spawning again.
Right. I'm ready. ACT Tower. Let's see. This looks like an amazing day. Oh, Singapore Airlines 880. Thai Jets. Jet. China. Okay, Thai's moving. American is at the gate. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you gotta see this. Okay, so, and there's American right here. There's American, but you can't see it. Oh, there it is. That's cool. And there's no hole at the gate, and there's no at the bridge. It's the firefighter jet right there. No, not the firefighter, the medical jet. The AD just took off. Desk there. There it is. And then Virgin Australia, they correct now! There's British Airways. British Airways? What do you mean? It's British Airways. It's way closer now. Time for the review. Stop! What? It's a normal UPS! I've never seen that before! What aircraft is this? Oh my gosh, I've never seen a normal UPS! I've only seen the 747s! Oh my gosh! I was not expecting that aviation. New Zealand and New Old. The way that UPS was a Boeing 767 freight, so yeah. We just got this. We just got the 767 freight. Now we're gonna get the 747 freight -8 freight. If you didn't know, it's UPS, and I think, yes. Enough talking. Let's me get the talk. Wow. It's a blank livery. So this is definitely a retired Qatar 747 transformed into a freighter, or it's Qatar freight cargo, if that even exists, and now it's UPS. Oh my gosh, I've never seen Nothing Airlines. Guys, I'm flying on Nothing Airlines. It's a 747. That's so cool. It's a 747-8 freight, if you want to be more specific. Nice. Oh wow, it's so loud because it's a link. It's so loud because it's a link. That's why it's so loud. It's a link. Oh yeah. Do it again. I've gone wrong. I don't know what it's saying. This is the Qantas A380, literally flying in your eyes. You cannot escape. Yay! Yay! Wait a minute, is this a bonus? Blanket under my car! I swept to the beach, but... Wait, is that Singapore Airlines already? That's Singapore... No! Oh, okay. I really thought they were going to collide. Sorry. But look, it's Singapore Airlines. That's Singapore Airlines. See it? Land. Looks like an A350. That's really, really cool. Wow. It is up close. It's Ethan! No way!
They didn't get rid of the old.
In the old livery! Oh my gosh! What? Oh my god! I wasn't expecting that. And there we go. It's gonna take off. And New Zealand, right, that is an Hermes A380. Can you say that's a kilo?
Wait, watch the plane.
380 next. Hi, 380. Y'all, look how close I am. I've never seen one this close. Ah, yes, the landing smoke. Here it comes. It bled out. Wow. Woo! Guitar. No. There we go. Plants on the way. Oh my gosh. I'm up the beach mountain. Oh my god. Why can't I get up? Why can't I get up? Help! I'm sliding up! Stop. Ugh. Guys, the metal cool shed is there, but you can't see because it's stupid long grass. We saw it early in this video, so yeah. One final plane. Air India 787 Dreamliner buttering the landing. I don't know if it's gonna butter, but still. It's the old livery, guys. Stay the course and follow me. This is the last plane in the front. There it is. Very close up. It's going without me permission. No! Oh, that's the final plane of the video. There it goes. Oh my god. Don't slow down the camera. Bonus footage. What is this? What the heck was that? Just faded into nothing. I guess we will never know. It just faded into nothing, guys. Guys, that was